How to unhide post on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unhide post on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the three dot icon, which can be seen beside the edit profile button. And now here, once you are inside the profile settings page, simply scroll down and tap on the activity log. And now here, once you are in this section, it will show you all Facebook activity, including the hidden post. Now here, you simply have to tap on the Facebook activity, and from here you simply have to scroll down and tap on manage post. And now here in this section, you simply have to tap on filters and tap on category. And now here in this section, you simply have to tap on the option that says post hidden from profile. And now here in this section, you'll see posts that were previously hidden. Now here, simply find the post that you want to unhide and tap on the three dot on that post. And here in this section, you simply have to tap on add to profile, and you can repeat for any other post that you want to make visible as well. And after that, your hidden post will be visible again. And that's it. That's how you can unhide Facebook post. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.